The committee will come to order. The Senate Select Committee on Intelligence today continues its ongoing oversight of the USA Patriot Act. Our intelligence agencies need flexible authorities to confront terrorist spies and proliferators and other national security threats. Second, as we seek to protect the national security, we must also ensure that civil liberties and privacy are not sacrificed in the process. Some game, however, as former Supreme Court Justice Arthur Goldberg noted, while
we need effective investigative tools against terrorism. Nobody can argue that. We need to be mindful of our Constitution and our values, and we need to build a broad public consensus that sustains our efforts against a war on terrorism, which I think will last for decades in those years to come. This will require intensive effort by the executive and legislative branches to give the American public additional confidence that powerful investigative tools will be used effectively and that they will be used judiciously. Guidance at the heart of our interrogation program.
The threat of terrorism remains very serious, and it is critical that Congress continues to provide tools that enable prosecutors and law enforcement to both confront terrorism and investigate and prosecute other serious crimes. I believe the authorities in the Patriot Act have enabled us to better protect America, rather than a specific communications facility. Before the Patriot Act, these orders were not available for national security investigations under FISA, a gap in the law that we believe sophisticated terrorists or spies. Use of this provision has been judicious. We have used this authority 35 times as of March 30th this year. Moreover, we have not sought a Section 215 order to obtain library or bookstore records, medical records, or gun sale records. Let me be clear. The reading habits of ordinary Americans are of no interest to those investigating terrorists or spies.
I am quite certain that had we engaged in fishing expeditions with libraries, that it would have come, attention would have been brought to that fishing expedition by either the Librarian Society or the ACLU, and we have not had brought to our attention an abuse of our role in interacting with libraries.
Does not require a judge to approve these